Hello and welcome to Homesage.ai. Today I'll show you exactly how you can generate your own list of properties. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the homepage. From the left menu, click on Investment Property Search, then click on New Search. In the middle, you'll see a blue button labeled New Search. Go ahead and click it. Now, start by filling in the required filters: location, property status, and days on market. Then, customize your search criteria, investment potential, property condition, and the price flexibility score. This score predicts how likely the property owner is willing to negotiate the price. A higher score means higher price flexibility, ranging from 1 to 100. You can also look at the LP to ARV ratio, which is the percentage of the listing price compared to its after repair or full potential value. The range is 1 to 100, and lower is better. And finally, the value gap, which is the spread divided by the listing price. A higher value indicates a better opportunity, also on a 1 to 100 scale. Once you've filled everything out, click the blue button, Apply Filters. The AI will now show you how many properties match your filters and how much it will cost you in credits. You can save the search by clicking the gray Save Search button, or view the full list by clicking the green Show Results button. This brings up the full list of properties, including details such as the return on investment percentage, list price, ARV, renovation cost, total project cost, and property size. When you hover over a property address, you'll see additional images and organized details for better insight. On the right, you'll also find the property agent's contact information. You can save individual properties by clicking the heart icon or download the full list by selecting the Download button at the top. You can also close the list and simply save your search for later. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial where I'll show you how to generate a full single property report.